The product in front of us now is the X-613 portable 3D wheel aligner developed by Launch. It is used to detect the relative position and angle between the wheels of the car, to determine the wheel alignment parameters, and guide the car repair technician to adjust the wheel alignment parameters, thereby achieving smooth and safe driving and reducing tire wear. It adopts a new industrial design with easy operation. It is not affected by the horizontality of the platform, and the inclination of the car body will not affect the accuracy. The way of pushing the car or rolling the wheels can achieve dynamic measurement, which improves measurement efficiency and accuracy. Next, I'll show you how to use X-613. Step 1. Activate and connect the device, powering the router. Turn on the measurement unit switch and automatically connect to the router LAN. After the measurement unit is turned on, the working indicator light turns blue and waits for connections. Then return to the diagnostic device interface and enter the 4-wheel aligner software to activate and connect the device. Enter the device serial number and activation code and click Activate. After the device is activated and connected, the indicator light of the measuring unit changes from blue to green. The wheel clamp shaft has scale values, and the wheel clamps can be pre-adjusted according to the tire diameter. Install the wheel clamps. Place the wheel clamp in the center of the wheel hub, the target towards the measuring unit. The wheel clamping claws must all be tightly pressed against the steel rim, and no one of them should be loose. Otherwise, it will affect the measurement accuracy. Connect the other 3 wheels clamps in turn. Install the measuring unit in the center of the front and rear wheels so that it is absorbed on the side of the lifting bridge plate. The working indicator light is green, and the measuring units on both sides are aligned with each other. Then enter the next step. Return the steering wheel to the center and lock it. Lock the turntable and install the transition block. Put the vehicle in neutral. Release the parking brake and install blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels. Default text go back to the diagnostic device interface and click on 4-wheel aligner. After entering, select the corresponding car model. After the car model is selected, you can see the alignment parameter interface of the model. The vehicle inspection is divided into 3 parts. Make sure that there are no abnormalities in the tires and chassis, and directly click Next. The interface prompts the device that needs to be installed has been installed before, so just directly click Next. Click Start Calibration. The calibration is ready. Click Next to start pushing the car. After rolling data compensation, remove the steering wheel lock. Install the brake lock. and remove the turntable and side slip plate pins. Click Next to return the steering wheel to the center position. Start turning the steering wheel after the prompt appears. After turning the steering wheel, return it to the center position. The interface pops up vehicle measurement results. The current value can be saved as the pre-repair data, and the data after debugging the chassis as the post-repair data. Click Next to save the report. You can also click Share Report to share the data report through QR code, email, and other methods.